That's a spork, actually. This one's a fork. What is it?
Fuck.
What do you need?
That big fork. Can I use it?
What is that?
It's a fork.
Kiki, what's this?
Fork.
Yeah, good boy.
Can you say fork?
Fork.
Say fork.
Fork.
Say fork.
Fork.
Say fork.
Fork.
Fork?
Fork.
So we're practicing saying words like fork. Can you say fork?
Fork.
Fork.
Oh, she fork.
Say,
She
Katie, say fork.
fork. I said fork. Fork. It's a fork.
Fork.
It's a fork. Fork.
Fork.
Fork.
Say fork.
Fork.
No. Fork.
Fork.
Say fork.
Fork. Fork. Fork.
Fork. Say fork. Say it properly.
Fork.
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 Fork. Fork. Fork.
Say how the fork are you?
How the fuck are you?
Say you're so forking pretty.
So fucking pretty.
Say fork, fork, fork.
Fuck. Fuck.
What is this?
See?
What is this?
Fuck.
Say fork?
Fuck.
What is this?
Fuck.
Say fork.
Fuck.
Say it again.
Fuck.
Say fork.
Fuck.
Fork.
Say fork.
Fuck.
Do you want to use a spoon for your cereal or a fork?
Fuck.
Huh? What do you want to use?
Fuck.
What's this?
Fuck. Fuck.